Hello everybody! Today we're going to check how iRobot Roomba cleans the cat hair around the house. I haven't cleaned the house for a few days so I can show it better to you. In a while I'm going to start the machine and all the hair, dust, dirt, bird feathers, bird seeds and everything will be collected in this bin. See, here it's empty now, and also it has brushes at its bottom.
Error 1. Place Roomba on a flat surface. Then press clean to restart.
Yeah, it gave an error because I just lifted it. Anyway, this side brush cleans the floor and also collects human hair. You can see it's surrounded here. I'll check at the end of the task here. These are the brushes the machine uses. They are rubber brushes. They're really good because in the other brushes it's really difficult to remove everything from there, but here it's very easy. You just remove this and collect the hair and stuff from here. Yeah. Let's now put it.
Error 1. Place Roomba on a flat surface.
Okay, I put you on a flat surface now. And let's start the task and see how it's doing. Yes, it finished cleaning. Now let's see how much dust, hair everything. It collects it in its bin. Oops. I'm so sorry for the thing that you will see. Here is all the things that it collected. This is what you get from a house with 3 cats. Yes. Look. See? This is all the hair and dust. But I should say that it also collects a lot of things from the carpet. I don't know if you can see, but there's blue stuff. That's the carpet. It really cleans the carpet. It's really good. Here. Here's all the things. I'm so sorry. And let's check the brushes here. Here.
1.
See, I don't know if you can see, but it also collects the stuff.
To restart.
Yes, okay. It collects the stuff also here. I have to clean here. I need a scissors, so I'll do it later.
1. Place Roomba on a flat surface. Then press clean to restart.
Thank you. And here also. See, here it collects my hair. These are my hair. And the other brush. See, it's really easy to clean it afterwards. That's it. It's ready for the next task. All in all, I can totally recommend it if you have a house with a pet. It's really handy because there's no way I can collect all these things with just a normal vacuum cleaner in just 1 hour, because it just cleans the entire house in 1 hour. That's really good. That's really handy. Thank you for watching. I hope this was useful for you.